What is japa? Japa is the repetition of a mantra. A mantra is a mystical sound vibration with an extremely high vibration frequency. Every thought has a specific vibrational frequency. By constantly repeating a mantra, the mind is cleansed of low vibrating content such as greed and hate, and at the same time the vibrational frequency of the one repeating the mantra is continually raised. There are many different mantras. The most well-known mantra is Om. You can choose your own mantra or have a mantra determined for you. Once you have chosen a mantra, stick with the mantra. Continuity is the key. The goal of Japa Yoga is self-knowledge. Repeating the mantra constantly and with love in the heart can quickly purify the mind. It is written that in this iron age of Kali Yuga, Japa Yoga is the easiest and quickest path to self-realization, and not without reason. Because a mantra can be repeated anywhere and anytime, you don't need a fixed place, whether it's showering, cooking or cleaning, you can always repeat the mantra. Nor does one need to be a scholar or philosopher to repeat a mantra. Through constant repetition, a new imprint is created in the mind and the whole system is cleansed. One will experience ecstasies of unity. Eventually the mantra also falls away and the mind immerses itself in absolute stillness and one gains self-knowledge. One can repeat the mantra aloud, chant it, or repeat it mentally. Mental repetition has the greatest benefit.